outstanding favorite, Invincible Viva Bola. Away they go. Invincible fast to begin Bangge. In the middle, emergency call alongside Senor Vicente, Peace and La Viva Bola. Running in the middle, Panahuna, Janet Lynn, Princess Jellic. Alongside is Apo Bell and number 8, Panahuna. And number 7, Dugu Sprite is running at the tail of the field, Invincible. Emergency call as they run the 3/4 mile distance. Invincible by a length and a half. Emergency call in second. Bangge racing in third by some 2 lengths. Viva Bola alongside Senor Vicente as they move towards the back. It's Invincible by a length and a half. Emergency call. Senor Vicente is now running in third together with Viva Bola. And racing by the Real Pip is Bangge. Rushing up is Apo Bell alongside Janet Lynn, Princess Janik Peace and La Panahuna and Dugu Sprite. Rounding the far turn, Invincible by a length and a half. Emergency call. Apo Bell is moving up by the rail. It's Invincible. Apo Bell is sneaking by the rail. And on the outside, emergency call as they race the final corner. Invincible, Apo Bell firing around for the lead. And moving up is Viva Bola, Senor Vicente. And nearing the finish line, Invincible back to a length lead. Apo Bell in second, Senor Vicente, emergency call, Viva Bola. And nearing the finish line, Invincible. And finally, Invincible, Apo Bell, Panahon na, Senor Vicente, Viva Bola, emergency call. I think for your Pentafecta.
Okay, Cross.